McCarthy Stone is the largest developer of retirement properties within the UK. Before we actually engaged with Xchanging, McCarthy Stone was a very tactical procurement department that had a lot of maverick spend. We had multiple suppliers delivering the same product category, no real spend visibility, no formal supplier management, and little access to any spend data. Procurement in the construction industry is relatively old-fashioned. It's based on informal relationships that are very much led in the regions. McCarthy Stone have taken a different approach to this, and we've introduced an eSourcing strategy that allows us to form a very transparent negotiation with our suppliers that allows our suppliers to competitively tender for our work based on their assumption of what our market is worth to them. We decided to bring an external company in to provide this level of service, as we didn't have the capability within McCarthy Stone at that time or the understanding around eSourcing, so we really needed a partner that would allow us to develop those skills pretty quickly and deliver a result quickly. MM4 has helped deliver a very transparent environment for us to work out where market rate is, and has allowed us to significantly reduce our costs. The software was very easy to use. People who had no experience of auctions before could use the software, and we were supported by several members of the team through this process. With the help of Xchanging, we have managed to accelerate the programme to deliver the cost savings a lot quicker than we would have done. They provided extra support to our team, which we didn't have internally, to allow us to speed this process up and work on multiple categories at the same time. They also extended the search criteria wider than our usual targeted suppliers, and we've managed to invite new suppliers to competitively tender work, and through this process we've actually engaged with a new supplier who we're working with today. Xchanging help us deliver the whole project. They support the initial process of the RFI. They also widen our supply chain. They look for alternatives in the market. They will then provide the category lead with a view of what the market looks like and who we would want to potentially invite to that auction. The category leads then work very closely with Xchanging to deliver an auction through the MM4 software. Xchanging has helped challenge our traditional approach to procurement and has actually challenged our sourcing strategy to encompass things that traditionally we wouldn't think to put through any platform. This has allowed us to access further savings that we would never have realised had we not used this platform. And with Xchanging support, we've managed to engage our stakeholders to ensure that it has been a successful project. McCarthy Stone's procurement department now is a strategic department that adds value across the business. Through the help of Xchanging and MM4, we have delivered £7 million of savings. The savings we've generated within the sourcing strategy are actually going to help us negate any price increases that we're experiencing in the market. The construction industry is actually facing a lot of pricing pressure around our key trades, so we're actually using the savings to negate those increases. I think originally through this process our suppliers were quite reluctant to actually come to an auction. They thought it was something very negative, and it was all about cost down, and it was to benefit only ourselves, when actually MM4 and Xchanging helped us deliver a message that was actually, it's a collaborative way of working, it's transparent, and actually they can benefit from understanding where they sit in the market. They've really helped us really challenge our own thoughts around what can be auctioned and what can't be auctioned, and actually so much has gone through that we previously perhaps wouldn't have thought could go through an e-sourcing strategy. Anything's possible with the right supplier. The support that Xchanging gave us was crucial to the success of our projects that we ran.